Alright, palapakan muna natin si Kuya Tristan. Wait for my signal, Kuya Tristan. Bago mo i-blow ang candle mo, make a wish first. Okay, meron ka na din, party kids. Magka-countdown tayo na 1, 2, 3. Then, i-blow na ni Kuya Tristan yung candle niya. Okay, Kuya Tristan, may wish ka na? Okay, guys! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Palapakan naman dyan. Oh, may part pa yung candle blowing mo dito naman sa cake mo. Magsawa ka kakablow ko yung Tristan. 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay! Once again, Kuya Tristan, happy birthday. Ayan. Okay, lahat ng party kids ko na. Move backward tayo. Ayan. Birthday wish ni Daddy Chun para kay Kuya Tristan. Okay, Daddy? Okay, very good. Then, picture taking muna tayo kay Captain Shaky. Kuya Tristan?
Kunin mo na yung camera mo. Pipicture po kayo.
Okay. Jay, Kuya Jay. Jay daw po kayo sa picture taking. One day. 24 hours. Okay, ayan, ready na tayo. Okay, move backward muna tayo dun after nilang kids. Kayo naman. Giant pizza. Captain Chicken. And jump shot. Oh, joke lang. Okay, lahat naman ng mga party kids natin. Dali, join kayo. Oh, careful, careful. Okay, join ka dito, join. Oh, dito muna.
Para makuha mo lahat.
Look at the